Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video of the very rare 420D M Sport Coupe presented in Valencia Orange. So as always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features, and then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside, and I'll show you around in a little bit more in depth of the interior features. So as I mentioned, it is presented in the very rare and very nice Valencia Orange. The vehicle has come into us with a Mperformance Style Kit already fitted, and it has been fitted very nicely. Alongside that, someone has equipped the car with the optional extra 19-inch 442M alloy wheels in the gloss black. At the front of the car, you will see it is a 2014 64 reg, and there you can see the angel light and xenon headlamps. So it has the gloss front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, and down the side of the car comes equipped from BMW with the gloss black air breathers. And then someone has added the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and the vehicle also has the sun protection glazing pack. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, whilst giving you a nice show around the overall condition of this very nice paint colour. Interior is the black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and as you can see there, again, all in a very nice condition. The interior trim is the aluminum hexagon with the high gloss black. And we'll show you in the rear, where once again we've got a very nicely presented Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest and central storage tray. We've got the very nice darkened headlining, as you can see there, and I'll move on around towards the rear of the car. Again, showing you off these very nicely presented 19-inch alloy wheels, which come all the way around with premium mixed run flat tyres. At the rear, you'll find a satin rear boot spoiler, and someone has very nicely carried out a 440 or 435i exhaust conversion. However, it is merely for the aesthetics as opposed to any noise or performance gains, but nonetheless it does make a nice difference to the rear of this vehicle. Opening up that tailgate, you'll be able to see just how much luggage capacity you'll find on the 4 Series Coupe again, and everything being presented as it should be. Closing that down, we'll head round towards the other side of the vehicle, and again, everything nice and clean and tidy as it should be. And it is of course a very eye-catching and striking colour, especially when it's combined of course with a performance style kit. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, and of course start it up and just show you a couple of the other nice features and functions to be equipped on this car. It also has the power folding mirror function. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside. You'll see we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen also equipped. Someone else has already nicely fitted these very nice carbon fibre effect overlays just around the cruise control and speed limiter functions for the steering wheel. Again, although it's a small little touch, it does make that difference for your overall experience for your interior. This vehicle's covered just over 58,000 miles, and we'll run through just a few of the features of that widescreen. So on there now, you'll be able to see the navigation function along with the Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs covering everything from your USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio input, and including that very nice music collection as well, where you can store and rip music directly to the car's hard drive. Heading back to the vehicle information screen, we'll take a look at the service requirements and service status of this 420D M Sport. The next service is not due for 11,000 miles, or the date specified there on screen. And service history wise, it does have full BMW service history, which again is just a sign of how well this vehicle's been cared for. Down here we've got the dual climate control, and again where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. So what we have is a very nicely presented in a very rare colour, that being the Valencia Orange 420D M Sport Coupe. So of course, with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you found it useful and enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you found it useful, and hopefully it will help in your making an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care and goodbye.